sure grip control button replacement. This one's fine, but on another side, as you can see, we have one broken button on the bottom. Yeah, lots of hours, they break, they wore out, and it's not difficult, and I will show you how to do it. It's getting cold. It's not quite winter yet, but we have snow, and it's snowing right now. Well, let's get started and get machine back to work. And those little buttons you pushed control a big hydraulics. Okay, we have to take a handle apart partially. For that we need a 3mm Allen key. Here's the 1, 2, 3 Allen screws. 3 screws are removed. As you can see, 2 shorter ones, they're from the bottom. This was already fallen apart. Screws are out, and this longer one is from the very top. Alright, now we have access to our sure grip micro switches, buttons, controls. Let's pull this assembly out from the joystick. Here we go. And yeah, now we can change these buttons. I have a part arrived from the local John Deere dealer overnight. Let's see what we have. And we have a Scorpion Technologies Ltd, and this is our sure grip replaceable buttons. As you can see, just a sticky tape on one side. We have to prepare the surface, remove the old ones, and stick a new one. All right. Okay, as you can see, here we go. Just cutting all the way through. Pretty easy. Something like that. Using a little bit of carb clean to remove the rest of the glue. What's the rest of the glue? That, and degrease it. Make sure our new replacement pad will stick and stay. Okay, surface is prepared, all clean, degreased. Let's place our replacement part or see how it fits. We'll go like this, nice and easy, something like that. Yeah, something like that. Nice. Okay, just push it all the way around, make sure it sticks. Okay, let's see if it's working. Yeah, we can hear the switch clicking. Yep, should be good. Let's put it back in a joystick like so. Okay, take a look. New sure grip buttons installed. Nice, look at that. Even sound is telling us it will work, and we know for sure. Let's fire up a machine. Alright, let it up a bit. Safety lock, and see how it's working. Up. Closing, and we're opening. Perfect. Nice and happy. Right, that's it for today. If it was helpful, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if you have any questions under the video, and see you soon, and take care, stay warm, bye bye.